My name is Kevin Nguyen. I'm a multi-award-winning barber, educator, business owner, and a family man. Thanks to hard work and dedication, I get to travel the world and share my passion. I work for the #1 leading clipper company in the world. I get to travel all around the world and spread education. Follow me on my journey and see my progress. I am YAKUZABARBER. What up, y'all? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a graduated high bald fade, or also known as a skin fade. Check it out. Starting off, I will use my cordless seniors with a #1.5 guard, lever open, to debulk all the way to the top of the parietal ridge. I will use the mag trimmers to establish my demarcation line. I like to use finger lengths as reference. 3 finger lengths for a high skin fade, 2 for a mid, and 1 for a low. Using the cordless detailer to get a closer cut on the scalp. Using my 5-star finale shaver to create a skin transition on the lower area of the fade. Keep in mind that you do not want to take the shaver all the way to the top guideline. Always leave it lower. With my cordless seniors lever close, I will raise up this guideline about 2 centimeters. Opening the lever halfway, I will now erase that previous line by raising it up 2 centimeters. The purpose of the graduated fade is to chase the lines and blend in as you go while you are blending in higher to the top ridge. Opening the lever all the way and repeating the same step. Attaching the half guard, lever halfway open, I will continue to raise the line just a tad bit. After that, I will open the lever all the way and repeat the same step. As I am moving up towards the top of the parietal ridge now, I will make sure I get rid of every single line beneath the parietal ridge. Attaching my #1 guard, lever close, I will repeat the same step and raise this line a tad bit, and then open the lever all the way. With my #1.5 guard, I will use the clipper over comb technique and reduce the weight on the top of the parietal ridge. I will now start to use the flicking technique with the 1.5 guard lever open and start flicking out that top bulk area. With the lever closed now, I will use the same guard and get rid of the rest of the fainted line. Continuing this fade to the back section of the scalp, I will use the same previous steps that I have applied to the fading technique. Here is a final look of the graduated high skin fade.